Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are keeping well. Today we are going to learn one more important topic from the lesson trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratios of some complementary angles. That is sin A equal to cos 90 minus A, cos A equal to sin 90 minus A, tan A equal to cot 90 minus A, cot A equal to tan 90 minus A, sec A equal to cosec 90 minus A, and cosec A equal to sec 90 minus A. Here A is an acute angle.
To evaluate sin A by cos B. This type of question mostly 1 mark questions. So just with a very simple tip we can remember this answer. So if A plus B equal to 90 degree. If A plus B equal to 90 degree, then sin A by cos B equal to 1. If A plus B equal to 90 degree, then we will get the value of sin A by cos B equal to 1 is the answer. This is very useful tip for solving exercise 8.3 question number 1 model. This is 1 mark question. Just I am going to show you one example. Sin 25 by cos 65. We know 25 plus 65 is equal to 90 degrees. So this answer will be 1. How we are getting 1? We know sin 25 means sin 25. Cos 65 means cos 90 minus 25. That is cos 90 minus 25 is equal to sin 25 using cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. We are applying this formula. So cos 25 is equal to cos 65 is equal to sin 25. So sin 25 and 25 get cancelled. The answer is equal to 1. Okay, so this tip is applicable for lot of all these other trigonometric complementary angles ratios. That is here cos A by sin B. If A plus B equal to 90 degree, the answer will be 1. The next one, cosec A by sec B or sec B by cosec A. If A plus B equal to A plus B equal to 90 degree, then the answer is 1. And also it is applicable for cot A by tan B. If A plus B is equal to 90 degree or tan A by cot B. If A plus B equal to 90 degree. By this tip we can quickly find out the answer of cot A by tan B and tan A by cot B. This also will be equal to 1. We will get the answer is equal to 1. Second one. If tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B, simplified to evaluate in this case. If A plus B equal to 90, then tan A into tan B, then tan A into tan B equal to 1. Tan A into tan B equal to 1. We will get the answer is equal to 1 by applying the complementary angle relations, and cot A into cot B also equal to 1 if A plus B equal to 90 degree. A plus B equal to 90 degree. We can make one more group. That is sin A into sec B. If A plus B equal to 90 degree, then sin A into sec B equal to 1. Then sin A into sec B equal to 1. Similarly, we can get cos A into cosec B. If A plus B equal to 90, then cos A into cosec B equal to 1. Cot 35 by tan 55 minus 1 by 2 into sec 25 by cosec 65 plus sin 31 into sec 59. Just check the relation here first. 35 plus 55, that is 90. 65 plus 25, 90. 31 plus 59, 90 degree. So this is very simple question. So we know tan 55 means tan 90 minus 35. So just we are using complementary angles relation. We are changing tan 55 is equal to tan 90 minus 35 minus 1 by 2 into sec 25 divided by cosec 65 means cosec 90 minus 25. We are using complementary angles relation plus 3 into sin 31 into sec 59 means sec 90 minus 31 because 31 plus 59 is equal to 90. So what we are getting, tan 90 minus 35 means cot 35 because we know tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. So here we can get cot 35 by cot 35 using complementary angles relation. Minus 1 by 2 into sec 25 by cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Therefore cosec 90 minus 25 is equal to sec 25 plus 3 into sin 31 into sec 90 minus 31 cosec 31. Sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta, therefore cosec 31. Again here we can cancel. Here 1. This is getting cancelled 1. Here cosec 31, cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. So what we are getting here, we are getting 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 3 into sin 31 into 1 by sin 31 because cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. So sin 31 get cancelled. So what is answer? 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 3. That is 4 minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Answer or 3 1 by 2. We can solve one more question. It is very lengthy question but it is 1 mark or 2 mark types. It is very simple. Without calculating we can find out the answer. See here sec 29 by cosec 61. 61 and 21 9 is 90. So this one we will get 1 because cosec 61 means sec 29 will get cancelled. So this is 1 and here we can make first group cot 8 and cot 82 90. So 1. Next cot 7 and 17 and 73 90. So 1. Now we know the value of cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to 1. So here 2 into 1 minus 3 into here sin square 38 minus cos square 52. We know cos 52 means sin 38. Therefore here we will get cos square 38 minus cos square 52. So sin square 38 minus sin square 38 equal to 0. So 3 into 0, 0 we will get. So the answer will be 3. This one 1 plus 2 into first cot 8 and cot 82 group 1 into second 17 and 73 1 into cot 45 1 minus 3 into sin square 38 minus cos 52 means sin 38. So cos square 52 means sin square 38. So sin square 38 0. So what will be the answer? 1 plus 2 minus 3 into 0 0. Therefore 1 plus 2 the answer we will get 3.